What if your cloud bill was not just a tech expense, but a silent leak in your company's margins? Because Dropbox once faced exactly that problem. A fast-growing product, massive storage demand, and infrastructure costs that needed a serious rethink. Dropbox was built on a simple promise: store your files, access them anywhere. But at scale, simple becomes expensive. Every photo, document, backup, and shared folder needs storage, bandwidth, compute, and reliability. For a company like Dropbox, cloud infrastructure was not just supporting the product, it was the product's cost engine. And eventually, Dropbox realized something important. Public cloud was powerful, but for their massive, predictable storage workload, it was not always the most cost-efficient model. So Dropbox launched what it called its Infrastructure Optimization Project. The result? Its infrastructure costs fell by $39.5 million in 2016, and another $35.1 million in 2017. That is almost $75 million in cost reduction. Even more importantly, Dropbox's gross margin improved from 33% in 2015 to 54% in 2016, and then 67% in 2017. That is the difference between cloud being a growth tool and cloud becoming a margin problem. The lesson is not cloud is bad. The lesson is cloud is only efficient when your plan matches your actual usage. Because when companies keep paying for the wrong cloud setup, the damage is not always visible immediately. It slowly shows up in margins, burn rate, runway, and profitability. Now, not every company can do what Dropbox did. Most teams cannot simply move huge parts of their infrastructure overnight. They still need AWS, Azure, or GCP. But they also need a smarter way to control how much they are paying. That is where Usage.ai helps. Think of Usage.ai as a cloud savings layer for your business. It looks at how your company is actually using cloud, finds where money is being wasted, and helps you reduce spend without forcing your engineering team to redesign everything. So instead of waiting until the cloud bill becomes a problem, companies can catch the waste earlier. Unused capacity, wrong commitments, changing workloads, overpaying for usage patterns that no longer match the business. Usage.ai helps turn those problems into savings. Dropbox saved millions because it understood one thing early: infrastructure strategy is business strategy. But most companies should not wait until cloud spend becomes painful. Before your cloud bill starts eating your margins, optimize it. Because the real win is not just being on AWS, Azure, or GCP. The real win is paying only for the cloud your business actually needs. And that is exactly the kind of problem Usage.ai is built to solve.